Yes, my people, blessed love to you, all my people. Blessed love, Godfrey's out here. Stay tuned. Watch what go on, my people. That is it. Yes, I greatness out here, you know. It's a good look, my people. Stay tuned. Watch what go on. Nice and beautiful, my people. My people, we live in Colby. Colby is behind us. Down that direction and we're going to Grand Spend direction. Yes, my people, we're going Grand Spend direction. That is it, Grand Spend is down there. Right, Colby is back there. Yes, my people. Alright, so stay tuned, my people. Preview. A day out walking. Yeah, so stay tuned for the epic walk, what the walk is going to be like. You see that, my people? Alright, respect, enough love. That is it. See it, my people? Yeah. See it, my people? Yes, I. Say she goes flirt with her boyfriend, brethren. Him have money and bling, so she go bed with him. Catch disease, now she heard it spreading. She start to seek penicillin, she's dying. Mercy, please, for life she begging. When she hears it to the morgue, she heading. Say she broke out at the age of 7. She dancing before she reach 11. One man can't satisfy her. She needs more wood for the fire. Sex rates getting higher. Say more money she require. House, car and land she desire. Say from the prostitution work she won't retire. Bombs and flames and fire. Hey, I not tell you, man, gotta get money so. Same fun the sex sellers and the buyer. You see that? Oh, yeah, man. Gotta get fun. Alright. Yeah. Out here, you know, my people, full forces of energy, you know. Yeah, you know, Godfrey always move fast. So, no disrespect. Alright. As that comes to the brain. Yeah. Take time. Slow down the motive. See it, my people. Yeah. See it, my people. Yeah, man. Respect. Some people have some very deep water around them side here. Yeah, sign out there say no bathe, just wet your foot. So that means these places you just wet your foot. If I saw the case for people. Yeah, cause we don't know much more around here, so you know, but they'll then tell me about out that side that we are around Colby. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah. Let's see it, my people. Look how walk out good for the soul more time. Chill the brains. Full it with nature, cause only nature is the greatest thing at the present of life. Yeah. True, man. Nature never give up on us, my people. Yeah, when everyone else said then give up. Nature never give up on us. Cause see the sea there, my people. Walking my fishing line. If I even want one fish, I can't catch. You see that? Oh, you mean? I'm a line in another country, people. The fishing line in that country. That's how it got my people. Stay tuned for that, you know. We're just walking out. Yeah. I have something to show you all, my people. So check in. Good. See that? Yeah, man. Something to show you all, my people. Yeah, you see that? We're getting close. Yes, my peeps, we're getting close. That is it. No joke. Alright? Nice camping spot. Nice camping spot down here now, my people. Yeah, man, nice camping spot. Stay tuned for that here, my people. Alright. Nice camping spot down here. Yeah. Yeah, man, excellent. My people. My people. Yes, man. Honestly. Yeah, Godfrey's just walking. I'm looking for something. But I'm almost in my destination. Yeah. Look at my destination, my people. See that? That's my destination, my people. Alright? Stay tuned. Watch what I go on. See my people? Alright? I'm looking for something within this destination from here to there. Okay? Alright. So stay tuned. Let me see who will help me find what I'm looking for. You see that? Yes, my people, I am looking for something. Yeah. Yes, my people. I'm looking for the sign, you know, of human being out here in this 20th century. Okay. I'm not talking about 20 million years ago. You see that, my people? Oh, you mean? Check in now. What it was like, my people, 20 million years ago. Feel like, say, my people are the same life we used to live. Similarity, my people, similar. Yeah, but my people say nothing new under the sun. So technology was around very long time, my people. A very, very long time. Millions of years ago, we have technology. Yeah. You want to ask me? You want to ask me? You want to ask me to prove it? Oh, my people. Yeah, stay tuned, watch what go on. You see that? Because you know what's going on, my people. Yeah. Jamaican archaeologists are going to rise up in the business soon. You see that, my people? Oh, you mean? We're not going to school for archaeologists, you know? You see me, some people, here how we test things now. We walk and test and look and test. You see me, that a machine for testing our people. You see that? So you are going on, my people. You know? Yeah, when we go back a couple millions of years on the piece of island, yeah. Yeah, a couple thousand years, couple million years. My people, I might bring that to you, my people. I'm going there soon. Yeah. That is it. Yes, my people. Have you ever heard about the Grampian Mountains? My people? Yes, the Grampian Mountains, my people. I don't know. I'm asking if you, my people, ever hear about the Grampian Mountains. Okay, my people? That's a history, my people. That's an history. Okay? That's an history, my people. Yeah. Where they go build that slave house on the rock. That slave building is built on the top of the rock. Okay, my people? And it is in the Grampian Mountain. Okay, only in St. Thomas you find the Grampian Mountain, my people. Stay tuned for that. Godfrey is excited going up there. You know? But not today, my people. Yes, soon and very soon. I will give you all a preview of the Grampian Mountain. And I want to let you all know that Captain Blige. Captain Blige. Yes, my people. Captain Blige. Yeah. Yeah. We have a place up in the Grampian Mountain called Captain Blige Deep Hole. Yeah, Captain Blige Deep Hole. Or Captain Blige Hole. Where a man in chariot, I think a man in chariot go down in that deep hole there. Yeah, history, you know, does speak for itself. And that is in the Grampian Mountains, my people. Only in St. Thomas. My people, I want to show you something. Remember, my people, no bait, just wet your foot. My people, out there, I'm not going to exaggerate about out there, but I just want to let you all see what I'm showing you. You see there, my people, it is a drop off. It is a drop off, my people. See, my people, right where those stones at, it is a drop off. Yeah, my people, what mean is a drop off. If you walk, go there, so, and go out there, you'll be going down. Right, my people? So it's a wet your foot, no bait. But my people, this is one of the deepest sea in St. Thomas. I mean, even in Jamaica, out round this direction they call Cow Bay. See it, my people? Cow Bay is just around at that point there that we're leaving from. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Alright, so see it, my peeps? Look at it. See those white clear stone there? Yeah, that's where the drop off is. See it, my people? Yeah. See it, my people? That drop off there. Know that mean, my people? You have to can swim to pass there, so. Yes. Good swimming, my people. Dive and float. So stay tuned for some epic fishing in around at this direction time to come. Is this a walkway go back to the main road? Don't know, I'm just looking. A swamp around here now, my people. The whole across this direction. I thought it to be a swamp. Yeah, a swamp is over there. Mangrove. Right, my people? I'm just looking. Yeah. Wow. I'm sinking. Enough sand, my people. My people, why we don't use sea sand for the building? Yeah. Looks so refined and beautiful and pretty. It even looks so strong to me. So I'm just trying to ask someone or try to figure out why we do not use sea sand to do building. Is it the salt in it? Okay. Don't know, I'm just asking. So, you can tell me in the comment section. Alright. See my people. Look there. You see that, my people? Look there. Look there. See my people at the road that the new road where I make up there, so cut away going through Grand Spend. Fisherman them are going, my people. Yeah. Stay tuned for that, my peeps. I'm out here. Fully active, I am out here. Right? Without fear. That is it. No joke. My people, this is a reef on the shore. You see, my people? Yeah. So you know we have depths out there, my people. Depths. You can see that bluish water coming across the middle there. Yeah. But you still can see some reef out there, my people. But true, you know, you can't pick up through the camera like how I would see it. Yeah, being honest. But this is a landside reef. Seashore reef, my people. Right at the edge of the reef, the seaside. We have a reef here. So you know what that is like. You can have even cave going under there, my people. Because I hear about this place, you know. This place, you know, my people. Yeah, divers tell me about some of these places down here in Cowgie. A lot of underground cave. You know? Yeah, underground hole and them way there on the reef and, you know, so see it, my people. Yeah. Alright, so all the piece that will look like it's a piece of man-made concrete, don't my people? And I try, I ask myself, this is a reef, my people. Yeah, look that way to me. Look upon it, people. Like it, I tell you. You know, people, how them grow in a one, so I concrete that, my people. Tell me if I concrete that, my people. Gonna concrete them, you know, stop. Reef. Yeah. So going on, my people, may I look for ancient ruins going on, my people. Oh, you mean? Yeah, man. So I don't know if I can find one tablet today. 1 2 million year old tablet. On the seashore, my people. You see it? Oh, you mean? You see that? Change on God for life again as an archaeologist. You see me? Yeah, I don't know what's going on, my peeps. Because that's how it's going on. One time we didn't have much sense to much things, you know, but we are getting little more and more every day. Yeah. Sure. That is it. So stay tuned, my people. God is looking for something. Alright? That is it. And within the next mile, I think I find it within the next mile, my people. Stay tuned for that. So the new road up there, so you know I'm very close to Grand Spend now, my people. Yeah, very close to Grand Spend. You see it? That is it. Stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Yeah. Oh yeah, man. Sure. A lot of ancient ruins. A lot of ancient ruins. Cover up at some place under some of them sand here. Under some of them dirt here. But we don't have no idea about. Yeah. See how far we check these sugar. They know they're on our map. Yeah. But dig up 110 feet going down or 1 5, 4, 6 feet or some place going down. You start find different connection from different times. See my people? Yeah. Yeah, my people, the greatest discovery will be coming from Jamaica soon. You see it, my people? True, man, one of the greatest discovery, yes, will be coming from Jamaica. That is it. Maybe I find where I look for my people. That is it. Yeah, man. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. We out here without fear. I go up on the higher ridge now. My people, look at nature working at her best state. Yeah, my people, look at her best state for all the years. Look, my people. Nature working at her best state for all the years. Look in front of me, my people. Sands. You know what that means. See coming all the way back up there. And I want to show you something, my people. Look at that. Can you see? Yes, my people, I'm stooping down. Stooping down, my people. Now I'll be standing up. Look at that. You see that? Alright, look at this now, my people. Alright, let me show you something again. You see that, my people? Whoa, the water is higher than the land. Alright, you see that? Yeah. Oh, you mean this is no joke. You see, my people, look the amount of sand pile up here, some people. Look at this and look down there. Look, my people, you see that ridge? You have to go down. So you see, when nature in our best state, she just take up sand with our shovel and pile up here. So, whole heap all about in them place here going cross, go up. You see that, my peeps? Nature at her best state. Yeah. Yeah. Stay tuned, my people. Stay tuned. Yeah, man. Respect. That is it. Alright. New road is up there, my people. Yeah. New road is up there. New road is up there, my people. As you all can see. Yeah. See that, my people? That is it. No joke. Stay tuned, my people. Watch what I go on. We're outside, fully active. See that? Yeah. As I said, my people, I am looking for something. Right, my people? Yeah. You see that, my people? Stay tuned, my people. Watch what I go on. We're out here without fear. My people, can you see those little dot in the sun? Yes, my people. Look at them. See that, my people? Look at these dot. What are these dot? Don't understand. Is some predator foot been moving around? Yeah. Oh, look, so you know, my people. Stay tuned. See if we can catch one predator. Yeah. See, my people. Yeah. Ones have camp here already. See, it's a camping zone. Look, my people. Farming spot. Pine. True, my people. What you mean? Look at that. See it? That is God for my people. That is Godfrey. Blessings, respect. Truth? Yeah. Pines and French thyme and yeah, my people. One little piece of dwelling used to go on here so for a little time. As you all can see, my people. Yeah. See that? Oh, you mean? That frees you to learn something. Healing. Healing. See him healing. Alright? And then I have no name. Alright, stay tuned for that. Godfrey out here. See that, people? Without fear. Yeah, as you all can see, my people. That is it. Stay tuned. My people, yeah, once you see a reef like this, you know the fish is always in this direction. Yeah, yeah, man. Fish, all type of fish living at the reef. Yeah, and even lobster and crab. Yeah, man, these things living at the reef, me learn, you know, from a diver cousin them. The people I told you all that I was looking for something, my people. No disrespect, but just a moment. Look there. See that? I'm in Grand Spen almost. Grand Spen Fishnet Village. That's around here where you see those boats. Alright, my people. Grand Spen Fishnet Village. Just a moment. See it, my peeps? Yeah. Alright. But my brethren, my elder is out here diving. You see that, my people? That's a surprise. Stay tuned for that. Look there. That's my elder out there. You see that? My people? Alright. Blessing. Greatness. Alright. So stay tuned, my people. Watch what I go on. As you all can see, yeah. As him say, my people, it's like mountain round about Jerusalem. Oh my goodness. See, my people? It's like mountains round about Jerusalem. Yeah. So is the Most High God is about round I and I. Yeah, man. Greatness out there. It's a good look. You see that? Oh, you mean? I find what I'm looking for. You see it, my people? Stay tuned. That is it. Oh, you mean? That was a walk. You see, my people? Oh, you mean? That is it. My Lord, what a walk on the sea alone, on the side there, you know, my people. Oh, you mean? That is it. Stay tuned, my people. God frees out here without fear. You see it? That is it. It's a good look. Yeah, man. Alright? Stay tuned, my people. Soon see the catch. Soon see the catch, my people. How you wait? Yes, my people. I come from sea and I walk on a long road. Yeah. Look at that, my people. Look at that, St. Thomas Road coming on. Well, that is it, my people. Stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Respect. Yeah. Respect. St. Thomas Road going on. Good, my people. You see that? Yeah. So stay tuned, my people. Where I come from. See? It's a good look. Look at that. Alright. They soon start to use the two side, my people. So stay tuned for that. Me I walk down here, some my peeps. You see that? Yeah. Stay tuned for the walk, my people. Blessings, enough love and respect. That is it. Look at the infrastructure, my people. See it? Yeah. That is it. Water is gonna back up there. Should have a cut a tree and go across another mangrove. That's a great yellowbird, my people, down there. You see me yellowbird glass. Mash off, you know, my people. No mash off on the rubber burst up. So you put them down and I use them. Burst up, so you end up come out of the water. Yeah. 3 fishing catch, my people. 1 parrot and 2 other one. I never remember what them one the name. Alright, so that's how it go, man. Yeah, man. I did watch one vlog when he come out of the water, and that's how it go, my peeps. So battery did low too at the time. So I will stop and get some charge too. So journey, my people. Stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Alright. That is it. Yeah, my people. See that? Yeah, this is down in the lower valley where the road used to down on the lower side, my people. But now that the road moved, it is a lot higher up there. A lot. Yeah. Because this is the mangrove. That when you pass, this is when you're passing When you leave Albion, yeah, and forgot to Grand Spen around that piece of bushy area. Yes, my people. So stay tuned. You see that? The road is high up there. Yeah. I don't think no more water go bother that road up there. So let me see now. Yeah. Bird. It was a auspicious day. Yeah. It was a good day anyway, bird. So it's at, oh, now the road is original. Huh? See it now, my people. A swall. That bird that tell me, you know. Road there. A swall. See it, my people. So there's a lot higher. See it? Look at it. Wow. See it, peeps? That is it. Stay tuned, my people. Watch what we're head home, same way. Heading into Albion direction coming from Grand Spen. That is it. Stay tuned, my people. Blessings. Enough love. Yeah. And bust the road down here, my people. Oh. And soon come back for them, yeah, man, you're right. It's like a jack. Like a scaffold thing. Yeah, man, fell full of concrete. Jaja know. Very strong. See my peeps? Yeah, man. And the bird out here, you know. Come from sea. Yeah, bird, I tell the people them say the glass smash up, the glass rubber bust the cloth time reach. I forgot organize a different day. You know. To the fishing in adventure same way. So stay tuned, my people, watch what I go on. We're almost next to Albion now. Yeah. Tire down here, if I want 2 tires, I can come pick them up. See that? Yeah. Come pick them up. I mean, we plant things in our barricade or something. But that is it. Yeah. See my people, can't get over a dozen tires around this area for do your planting, see your planting or vineyard or barricading somewhere. Yeah, look at this big stump. See peeps. So man, them just control a tire them on a good. Where I say the good road done, the rough road done. That is it. The water the trap. Water the trap. Water they need for go so in a mangrove, no so? Yeah man. Water the trap. See my people? Look at it. Wow. Yeah man. Stay tuned, watch out here. What I mean without fear. See that? It is a good look. No joke. St. Thomas Road coming on great. Yeah. Almost reaching to Albion now, my people. As you all can see. Yeah. Yeah. I think so this place will soon get it curve and channel or one of those big walls over there too. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, people. Yeah. Sidewalk coming. or something, I don't know. Yeah. So stay tuned, my peeps. Oh, nice house up on the hill, my people. You see that? Nice house up on the hill. Yeah. Stay tuned for that, my people. Oh man, this is a blessing. You see that? Good look. We out here. See me? Greatness. See that, my people? Stay tuned. See that? Look at that, my people. That is it. The people and get road, you know. They can't say they don't get. Eh? On road, and then cut this up. Come back round, you know. Get free. You know. So, that is it. We're out here, my people, without fear. No joke. Look at the place, my people. Look at the place. St. Thomas, you know. Yeah. Beautiful going into Albion. Yes, really beautiful. And as you all can see, it's just one way working. For both vehicles. So the two-way don't open up as yet. So stay tuned for that, my people. Yeah. St. Thomas Road would be full of cars and active. Yeah. Sure. People, nice farm. See it? Sure. Come on. Stay tuned. Watch what I'm going. See that, my peeps? Really a good look. Don't my people talk the truth. Yeah. Really a good look. Yeah, man. Really a good look, my people. Stay tuned. Blessings. Respect. Big up, big up. Yes, my people. That is Albion down there. See that? Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Stay tuned. Peeps, you see me? See powerful old man them my people. Bad diver in on there something the people. But I tell you what, old man I dive, I tell you I just sharks and fin and gun and I tell you, you're rough. That is it, yellow bird. Oh you mean? 50 kilo zone and go out there and see it, you know. People, 50 kilo zone. Yeah. I don't know whether I want to say where I go pass. But stay tuned, my peeps. Watch what I go on, we're out here. So you can stay for another adventure. So, yeah. It's a good look. Yeah, being honest, good luck my people. You can stay for another adventure. You can like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a family to tell a family. Yes, blessings, respect. Godfrey Osborne YouTube channel is out there. Alright, so that is it my people. It's a good luck. Blessings and respect to you all. That is it. Look at that my people. Look at that. Look at that. What does that say? All beyond. All beyond. That is it. That is it, my people. That is it. Stay tuned. Watch out next time.